Namaste. So today's our topic is hemophilia. So what is hemophilia? Hemophilia is a common hereditary coagulation blood disorder due to deficiency or reduced activity of clotting factor 8 or clotting factor 9. This disorder is X-linked 10-linked receives disorder. Hemophilia is a bleeding disorder that slows down the blood clotting process. It's transmitted by female to man who are suffered. Female who carry a single mutated genes are generally asymptomatic and not affected. People who have hemophilia often have long bleeding after some sort of contact to injury. People who have several hemophilia start to have spontaneous bleeding in the joint and muscles all around their body. Hemophilia is more common in male than female, but the carrier are mainly the female. History of the hemophilia. Best known of the hereditary bleeding disorder since 2nd century AD, first coined by the Stalin in 1820. Hemophilia, that is love for hemorrhage, but over time contract to hemophilia. So the Queen Victoria one also have the hemophilia. So hemophilia is often called the disease of kings because it was carried by many members of Europe's royal family. Queen Victoria I of England was a carrier of the hemophilia. Then inheritance of hemophilia. Inheritance of hemophilia. Hemophilia A and hemophilia B are inherited in an X-linked received pattern. The genes associated with these conditions are located on the X chromosome, which X means 10th chromosome on one of the two sex chromosomes. In male who have one X chromosome, one change copy of the gene in the each cell is sufficient to cause the conditions. In female who have X chromosome, a mutation would have to occur in both copies of the genes to cause the disorder. Because it is unlikely that female will have two change copies of these genes, it is very rare for female to have hemophilia, a characteristic of X-linked inheritance in that fathers cannot pass X-linked trait to their son. In X-linked received inheritance, a female with one changed copy of the gene in each cell is called a carrier. Carrier females have about half the usual amount of clotting factor 8 or clotting factor 9, which is generally enough for normal blood clotting. However, about 10% of carrier female have less than half of the normal amount of one of these clotting factor. These individuals are at risk for unusual bleeding, particularly after an injury, surgery, or tooth extraction. Causes of hemophilia. Hemophilia has sex linked received inheritance. In most common case, hemophilia caused by the mutagens in a genes that code for one of the clotting factors. Since the hemophilia gene is located on the X chromosome, hemophilia usually occur in male and female is the carrier of the hemophilia. So you can see how it caused the father's genes and the mother's genes. So you can see this. The red X is the chromosome carrying hemophilia. So the cause of hemophilia is more in men. So you can see father without hemophilia and carrier mother is and cause the son to the hemophilic. So there are many type of hemophilia, so which you can see here: hemophilia A, B, C, and parahemophilia. Factor deficiency is different in this, so you can see this. The first two are X-linked recessive, but last two are the autosomal recessive. So you can further studies about this. The signs and symptoms of the hemophilia is prepurated oozing after injury, repeated bleeding after first bleeding, easy or spontaneous blushing, then prolonged bleeding. The most frequent symptom for hemophilia type A and B is spontaneous joint bleeding. Complication of hemophilia is hemorrhage in the iliopsoas muscles joints, intracranial bleeding. So here we have completed this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.